The Arbor-care Group is made up of several companies operating in the forestry, agricultural and landscaping sectors. These various specialist companies mean that we are supremely suited to being able to manage all aspects of a forestry project within the group. Arbor-care offers an expert and comprehensive forestry service from start to finish. This incorporates all elements of planning, including due diligence to planting through to harvesting. We are active in large-scale forestry and agricultural projects across sub-Saharan Africa. If required, Arbor-care assists clients and investors in acquiring forest and environmental certification. The planning phase of forestry is key to a successful timber product yield. Planning starts once the area for planting has been determined. Land use has to be mapped with environmentally sensitive areas in mind. This includes riparian areas in and around plantations. Along with plantation infrastructure, road networks have to be planned with respect to the environmental impact assessment requirements and harvesting and transport needs. At all stages of the forestry process, safety is rigidly enforced. At least a 4-star NOSA rating is achieved on all projects. All stages of the forestry operations are carefully planned in advance to ensure the correct safety standards and resource requirements are met. On the ground, the first stage is to remove the existing vegetation cover. Various techniques are used depending on the type of vegetation. Mulching can also improve soil quality. The soil is then prepared for the new forest. This ensures optimum growing conditions for the new trees. Any weeds and other vegetation that might compete with the young trees for water, light and nutrient resources have to be controlled. The control of weeds represents a large part of the forestry budget. Holes are dug either manually or mechanically in preparation for planting. Seedlings are then introduced using appropriate planting methods. These include manual and mechanical techniques. Manual planting is used where mechanical methods are not possible due to terrain or topography restrictions. With mechanical planting, 400 trees an hour per machine can be planted in ideal conditions. Arbor-care companies plant in excess of 6 million trees every year. Innovative new planting techniques such as the Wasser planter, the brainchild of South African forester Jürgen Reinsdorf, are being developed to improve seedling survival and increase productivity. Arbor-care keeps up to date with the latest industry advances. Several methods are used to control weeds and unwanted vegetation. Flails are used to clear unwanted growth between trees. Both mechanical and manual spraying techniques are employed. Innovative and unique technologies such as dribble bars are being used to keep the spray away from new trees. Wind boxes are also used to contain the spray. Site accommodation is provided by Arbor-care for crews in remote locations. Effective fire protection measures and firefighting resources are vital to protect the investment in timber. Fire breaks are established and maintained. Crews are trained to respond quickly and professionally to outbreaks of fire. Aerial firefighting is used where this is possible and if required. Riparian zones are carefully established and maintained. Tree growth is monitored so that harvesting for optimum product yield can be scheduled. Eucalyptus trees are grown for between 5 to 12 years before they are harvested, depending on the desired product. Specialized teams and equipment are utilized to harvest the trees and take the timber from forest to market. Arbor-care has a large team of qualified professionals who cater for all aspects of the forestry industry on behalf of our clients. Our many years of experience in this specialized industry has secured us contracts across sub-Saharan Africa. Trust us with your investment.